back to my channel. So in today's video we have another wig slay. Girl, crimped out, waved out, long hair. So this video is sponsored by Yolissa Hair. They sent me this bomb body wave wig that y'all see on my head. Okay, you see it? Oh my god, feeling myself. But we about to jump into all the details on this wig, jump into the tutorial of how I got this very easy got to be gel melt. This is a pre-plucked. I did like pretty much no plucking on this wig other than the part, because the part was really like tight, so I had to, you know, widen that up. But I did no plucking on the hairline. It's all pre-plucked. Yeah, y'all will see all of that in the tutorial in just a minute, but I just wanted to show y'all this luscious, beautiful hair. I love this wig. Okay, like this has just got me feeling like a cute mama. Like, girl, this is giving me like baby shower vibes, or like, you know, maternity picture. You know, I'm almost at the point where I want to take like my maternity pictures and stuff, and I feel like this is such a cute look for maternity pictures, that long, just like dreamy mermaid, you know what I'm saying, type of look. So I just love this wig so much, y'all. Yes, girl, if you're interested in this wig, make sure to click those links down below. All of Yolissa's hair information is down below in that description box. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into how I got this little, you know what I'm saying, light slay, like crimp, like wave. Let's get it. this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Once again, I love this wig. My only like con with this wig is that it was like a bunch of flyaways up here. Y'all see me have to use my hairspray or whatever to like lay them down, and the part was like really tight and I definitely had to pluck that. But this wig is bomb, okay? Like the hair on this wig is so, I wish y'all could feel it through the screen. I mean, I'm sure y'all can tell how luscious it is from the root to the tip. Like, girl, I live for like a full sturdy wig. This is definitely it, and I love the wave on this wig. I hardly had to even crimp it. As y'all can see, like some places, like all of this right here is not even touched with my waver. This is just how the hair looks. So I love the wave on this wig. It's just so pretty. It's so natural looking, and this wig is pre-plucked, but could definitely be plucked some more like on the sides. I don't really mind all of that because I just plan on wearing it down like this anyway. But if you want to go in and like, you know, pull your hair up or whatever, you probably want to like pluck a little bit more out the sides just to give it a little more, you know, natural look. Or if you like pull it up into a, oh, that's cute too, okay. If I ever do like wear it pulled up, I'll probably most likely pluck some more hairs out the sides. But since I'm wearing it with the, you know, little middle part, it's perfect. All I had to do was pluck that middle out like I said. And y'all, I am just in love with this wig. I love it. I was ready for just some like sexy long hair, and this is giving it, okay? This is giving long, sexy, wavy, like, yes! So that's it for this video. Once again, if you're interested in Yolissa Hair, make sure to check that description box down below. All the information, details on this wig, direct link to this wig is down below, okay? Make sure you follow me on Instagram to see some pictures. I'll put my Instagram name right here. Thanks again for watching. I will catch y'all in my next video. Peace out.